In this video, we'll show you how to turn site visitors into customers using forms and live chat. People who visit your sites may have questions, comments, or need more information. So create a custom form that makes it easy for them to get in touch and subscribe. There's a variety of forms to choose from. Wix websites that use forms get up to 5 times more leads. Turn site visitors into customers with live chat. Set up an automatic chat to start a conversation when someone visits your site. You'll get a notification on mobile, so you can reply on the go and close the deal. Chatting with visitors in real time can increase conversions by up to 12 times. Answer chat messages and form submissions from your inbox on mobile and desktop. Your inbox is linked to your Gmail and Facebook accounts, so you can easily send products, services, coupons, and even request payment all in one place. Your forms, chat, and inbox are synced to your contact list, which means all of your data is right there in one place. That's it. Now you're ready to turn site visitors into customers with your built-in suite of Ascend business tools.